Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me for another portfolio update. In this video, I'll be sharing my October portfolio update with a valuation of 109,900. I know it's a bit late for October, but I wanted to keep it separate from November to clearly highlight the changes I've made. The screen recording you see here is from November 6th, right after the US election, so it reflects the post-election market surge as well. In October, I invested around £5,000 in Google and £4,000 in Microsoft. With Google, I see a highly undervalued business currently trading at a PE ratio of 22 to 23 with a forward PE of 18. It's a company with massive free cash flow, strong leadership in AI and cloud computing, and a near monopoly in search. While the DOJ case against Google is a concern, I believe the risk is already priced into the stock. As for Microsoft, it also seemed like a solid investment. It has a strong momentum in cloud computing, AI, and enterprise software. Analysts expect this growth to continue, which you can see on the stock analysis page I'm just sharing. Moving on to my individual stock portfolio, I reduced the number of positions from 50 to 39, selling out of positions like Intel, Cisco, Netflix, Oracle, Adobe, Fiverr, Shopify, Walmart, JP Morgan, and United Health. My plan now is to focus on fewer high-quality stocks and dig into them with more thorough research. Here are my top 10 holdings and how they've changed compared to September. Here is a look at the asset allocation on Trading212. It's a new visual that I quite like because the heat map not only compares the size of your assets but also shows the daily return for each stock. It's quite a useful tool. Moving on to my usual update on the money weighted rate of return. This month it stands at 12.15%, which is slightly lower than last month. The monthly rate of return is 0.92%, which lags behind the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. At the end of the year, I'll provide a month-by-month comparison, but for now, it's clear that this month we didn't beat the market like we did previously. To be honest, I'm not surprised. Half of my portfolio is still in the money market ETF, meaning I'm investing with a maximum of £55,000, which is half of my total portfolio. The return on that 55,000 would be around 20%, but since we're calculating the return on the entire portfolio, including the cash I'm not using, the return is closer to 12%. Which I'm satisfied with. It's a conscious decision to keep a significant cash position in my account as I'm waiting for compelling buying opportunities rather than going all in on the market. Finally, let's compare some figures. This month I made a further deposit of £8,800, bringing my total account value to £109,900. The net return for this month is about £1,000 and the monthly rate of return is 0.92%. The annualized money weighted rate of return is 12.15% and the cumulative rate of return is around 10%. And with that, we conclude our October update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.